Some of you may be screaming at me. Why would you get rid of that? I would like some. Give me some of your makeup. But I can't in good conscience do that to people. It is expired. Look at all those shades. How insane. For all of you children out there who think that KKW Beauty and Kylie Cosmetics were just a success off the bat, no honey. This. Good morning, YouTube. Why does my voice sound like I have vocal fry? What I do know and what I do want to change is my makeup collection, because I have had so many expired products for so long. It's kind of like I've been given all this makeup for free. I hoard all the stuff that was ever sent to me because I'm just, you know, when you get free makeup and you know how much it costs, you don't want to waste it. I always thought I would do like freelance makeup artistry and everything like that. Honestly, this is really like all the makeup I really need. Like, it can all fit in here. I just have to, you know, put all the makeup that I use in there. My closet is just, it needs a remodel, it needs a makeover. For example, like all of this beautiful Too Faced stuff I want to keep just for show. This needs to go. Why am I excited to be throwing out makeup? Do not ask. It's so hard to throw this out. Hi guys, what's up? It is Christina here. I graduated from college last year. Still haven't been able to find a job, picked up a coffee addiction, and so we're thriving. In my more successful high school years, I was sent thousands of dollars worth of makeup, and this isn't even half of it. I literally did this exact thing about 3 times. I've remastered my makeup collection. A product that has not been opened expires in 2 to 3 years, which most of these are. Come along with me, I'm gonna go through my products and see where we can start. So over here you can see these are my lipsticks. I have a bunch of MAC, I have Lime Crime, I have a YSL one, but honestly I don't think I'm gonna be using them. So, and I haven't really used them. So I got some KKW Beauty glosses, which have stuck and somehow exploded in here. Some of these are like collectibles. This is the Riri Boy lipstick. It has like Rihanna's signature. It's like I can't get myself to throw these out. Like, is that not so gorgeous? Some of it's like stuck. I hate to say it, but like I have held on to some of these for so long without touching them, and it's really sad. Tartelette palette. I did so many videos with these. This brand was super pretty. I'm gonna throw that out. This one I bought more recently. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm gonna keep this because it's just, it was so expensive and I don't want to waste it. Same with the Smashbox Full Exposure one. I'm pretty sure one of my friends got this for me, so I'm gonna keep that. This is so pretty. It's like all orangey. No swatching, no swatching, no swatching. Okay, so I'm gonna throw that out as well. Lip products, like those need to go. I'm never gonna use them. These are really beautiful pigments from MAC, and right now the video that I use these in is just doing so well. I'm gonna keep these. One of the first beauty products that I was ever sent came from Origins, but they were so flattering. This is the Ginseng Brightening Cream Eyeshadow. They infused ginseng into their makeup products, and it was just stunning. Looking back, I'm also seeing brands that I've promoted and that I've liked, but like you don't hear about them anymore. And it's like the first brands that ever really worked with me. So I'm gonna just throw this out. This unopened foundations. So on YouTube, one of my biggest goals was to be sent an entire shade range of makeup. I really just wanted to be able to get every shade of every single foundation that I could. And like even CoverGirl, they sent me 30, 40 shades. I don't think this is gonna hold. But they're so... No, I haven't used it. I'm not gonna be a makeup artist. No. It's also a pandemic. No one's really getting their makeup done. I'm gonna keep these lip glazes. These are good. These are beautiful. No, we're not gonna get rid of all. We'll be fine. I'll be fine. We'll be fine. I have all of these unopened NYX products. These are like lipstick duos and stuff. This is the old Chroma. This is what the Kardashians invested in, which they got sued for using the name. It says Kourtney, Kim, Khloe. Really beautiful, but like this stuff was available, I think, like at Walmart, and it still smells how it used to. It was just like this like gross mildewy smell that I always had, and I can probably insert or link down below the video where I used Chroma Beauty. Like you can literally see it's insane. These lashes from Morphe are stunning. Ardell as well. Oh my god, this I cannot get rid of. How stunning is this palette from the Estee Edit? Who didn't have the Flash palette? I have a new beauty blender. How Weekend Winter Storm, 7 inches of snow. Anyway.
So Staten Island actually got 15 to 16 inches of snow this past weekend. Here is my car completely buried, and it was so difficult to get out.
I remember how excited I was when I was sent this Givenchy product. Mind blown. I didn't even look at that. Not even gonna examine that. Okay, this one's kind of pretty. This one I will use. No, I won't. This palette's kind of falling apart. Like, no one's using that on their lips. I love having all this makeup, but it's obviously ridiculous. So, coming out. What? My love for Too Faced is just like unmatched. They have been sending me stuff for so long. This was their 16-hour bronze, their like leopard one, little Napoleon ice cream. Okay. I needed to do this. This was also like letting go of my like identity as a YouTube beauty vlogger. And it's connected with a lot of good memories, but also like my downfall of, you know, like going to college and stuff. It just reminds me too much of like the opportunities I let get away. I guess sometimes you really don't know what you got until it's gone, which is me referring to my 100,000 subscribers. But I'm working towards it, and you know what? You have to start somewhere, so I might as well start now. Okay. I'm not gonna do that right now. Also, a little side note, I just want to say right now my depression is really high functioning. So when I do talk about like depression and stuff, I don't want you guys to think I'm like ever faking it or ever like pretending it's worse than it actually is. If anything, I downplay it a lot for the sake of YouTube, and also because I want to stay monetized. And if I shared more things, I feel like this channel will just go in such a dark direction, and this is really just my release. So thank you guys for doing this for me and helping me cope. And I know it's like, oh, like look at your closet, like look what you have, like look what you just threw out. It's like, you are beyond blessed. Like, yes, I know I am beyond blessed. Real depression, like literally clinically diagnosed depression, is rough. It's so it can be so debilitating. So the fact that I can even do this video is very intriguing to me, because I'm trying to just train my brain to want to like get up every day, and it's hard to do. So thank you guys for giving me a reason to keep on going, and it is sad to think about, but I love you guys so much, and I want to share my life with you, and I just think it's fun. And I think that there's a lot for me to learn and for me to show, and that you guys can maybe even relate to. So subscribe, comment, like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!